And hello, my next guest today is Don Morgenson from VJ Electronics. Good to see you again, Don.
Nice to meet you. See you again, Trevor.
Yeah.
It's been a couple days.
It has been, yeah. We want to talk today about the latest product from VJ. You brought out a new rework system. First of all, what is it called?
It's called the LT150.
Okay.
The name goes directly to the fact that it has the capability for a big board and a big component up to 150 millimeters in the X and Y.
Wow. Okay, so you're obviously talking here about these massive chips that you get in the data centers.
Exactly.
150 by 150, about 5,000 balls. Tell us a little bit about how it works and how you deal with the thermal excursions and prevent warpage and that type of thing.
Exactly. Well, as we discussed yesterday with our new machine, what we're trying to do is, as closely as possible, duplicate what it goes through in the reflow process through an oven and through the production line. Mm-hmm. So to meet that with these newer, bigger chips, this machine has a lot better heating capability, more powerful heaters. Just to be specific, on the top side, we've gone from 2.4 kilowatt heaters to 4.4 kilowatts.
Okay.
So or 2.2 to 4.4. So we've doubled the energy on the top side and come up with a new system to better balance and control the heating of the top side to deal with the fact that a lot of these chips get too hot in the center.
Yes.
So you need to have better heating balance, and we have a new system to handle that, which I think is very exciting.
So you'll need a heat spreader so you get an even delta T across the board.
Exactly.
Right.
Additionally, our machine, we've replumbed our machine so it can both top and bottom side spread nitrogen, blanket the board in nitrogen, so the solder joints are on both the top side and say there's bottom side components are getting nitrogen blankets, so that if they get heated and potentially over reflow, it's going to not compromise their integrity.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, and so the top side is that an air convection system, or
yes, we're all hot gas.
You're all hot gas. What about in the bottom side? Is that infrared?
Both hot gas too.
Hot gas too.
So we have the capability of having all air or nitrogen, or if somebody wants to get some exotic gas like argon or something, they're welcome to. They can plumb that in too.
Okay. Because there's a lot of systems out there that typically use infrared on the underside. Is there a reason you didn't do that?
Yeah, exactly for what I'm saying. We feel that hot gas does a better job of spreading the heat uniformly across the bottom side, and it gives us the capability to use nitrogen as opposed to plain air with oxygen in it to the board. Yeah. We think, as I said, I think that helps the solder joints that are near the component or are going to go over reflow, keeping them from being compromised.
Right. Okay. Well, it sounds like it's a very, very timely new machine.
Yes, we're having a lot of interest in it, as you can imagine now.
I bet, yeah. So you just get involved in the rework. Do you have a reballing system or anything like that, or what do you do there?
We don't have an actual reballing system, but people use our machine for the heating processes and reballing. In other words, we work with other companies who give the actual reballing part, but we do the removal of the part, the scavenging. Of the old solder, and then the reflowing of the new solder balls on the part.
Right. Excellent. Okay. Great. Okay, so that's once again it's the VJ LT150. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Well, Bob, thank you very much. Don, sorry. I nearly made that same mistake again. Don, thank you for coming in and telling us about it today.
Thank you very much for having me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ko-Young is leading a smart revolution that will change the world of electronics manufacturing. Based on our pioneering True 3D measurement-based inspection technology, we revolutionized the solder paste inspection market to such great lengths that 1 in 2 SPIs sold today is from Ko-Young. Building our SPI technology, we expanded to automated optical inspection, also known as AOI. Every year, we introduce new award-winning innovations and have proudly earned the respect from thousands of customers across diverse industries. Aside from our R&D center in Korea, we have research facilities focused on artificial intelligence and deep learning across the world to help us further develop proprietary AI technologies for your challenges. With our global network of sales and service centers, we aim to respond quickly to your needs and to deliver the highest level of customer satisfaction.